In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new word in Grammarly quickly and easily. This is super useful if Grammarly keeps flagging a name, brand term, acronym, or custom word that you use all the time. Instead of correcting it every single time, you can add it to your personal dictionary so Grammarly recognizes it going forward. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open the Grammarly dashboard in your browser. You can do this by going to app.grammarly.com and signing in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click the account icon. This will open your account settings where Grammarly keeps your personal customization options. Next, select the Customize tab. This is where you can control how Grammarly behaves for your writing preferences. After that, click on Dictionary. This section is specifically designed for words that Grammarly should learn and stop marking as incorrect. Now, in the text field, type the word you want to add. Make sure you spell it exactly the way you want Grammarly to recognize it. This can be a product name, a company name, a technical term, or any word that Grammarly is incorrectly underlining. Once the word is entered, click the Add button. As soon as you do that, Grammarly saves it to your dictionary, and it should stop treating that word as a mistake in your writing. And that's really all there is to it. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a ton of time if you write with specialized vocabulary or proper nouns often. If the word still appears as an issue in some places, just double check that you added it correctly and that you're working in the same Grammarly account. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to add a new word in Grammarly. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.